For those living in low-lying areas, knowing how to safely evacuate your home during a flood while also protecting what you leave behind is critical. Here's what you'll need. First, have a family evacuation plan mapped out with a meetup destination in place, and make sure your plans include your pets, their food, and carriers. You'll also want to keep a weather radio on hand so you can tune into your local emergency stations. If your home is in a flood zone, make some changes now so it'll be less vulnerable in a worst-case scenario. If outlets are low in at-risk areas of the home, they should be reinstalled higher on the wall by a licensed electrician. And consider having a sump pump installed with a battery-powered backup to remove standing water. If you have time to do so safely, move outdoor belongings like lawn furniture, bikes, and trash cans indoors or into the garage so that they won't be swept away in a flood. Clear all drains, gutters, and downspouts to reduce the chance of overflow. You'll also want to move furniture and valuables to your home's upper floors if possible. If it is safe to stay home, fill bathtubs, sinks, and containers with tap water, so if service goes out or is contaminated, you'll have clean water on hand. Flooding can cause power surges or downed power lines, so unplug appliances and turn off your propane tank. If severe flooding is in the forecast, it is best to turn off the electricity and other utilities before you leave the house. If evacuation becomes a real possibility, pack an emergency kit with a 3-day supply of food and water, a change of clothes for each household member, water tablets, and phone chargers. You'll also want to fill up with gasoline or charge up your vehicle as soon as possible. Once your area is under a flood or flash flood warning, you should leave as soon as possible, especially if there's a mandatory evacuation notice. Finally, remember to prioritize with FEMA's 5 Ps: people, prescriptions, paper, personal needs, priceless items. Hopefully, you'll never find yourself in an evacuation scenario, but having a plan in place will give you better peace of mind. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.